Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a Volkswagen Jetta City and I will show you how to remove and replace the front bumper. Now I am doing this for the first time as well on this vehicle, so I will record as I go. To start, you'll want to lift the front hood and remove two Phillips screws. So one will be right here and the other one just here on the other side. Now once you have these two guys out, this front grille should be completely loose. Now if you want, you can just pop out this front grille completely, but you don't have to, because if you pull it out towards yourself, you will get access to two more screws. So one here on this side and one will be just on the other side down here, and those two screws are actually holding the bumper. So for some reason on my Jetta these two screws are missing, so that means somebody in the past was removing this bumper and didn't put them back in. So I'm not sure what size of a screw will be here, probably like 10mm or something, or a Torx screw, knowing Volkswagen, but like I said, you want to remove those two screws. The grille down here will be held just by a couple of plastic clips. I'm not a big fan of removing this. I always kind of crack these clips, so that's why I said if you just pull it towards yourself and get an extension, you can easily remove those two screws. Okay, so next thing you will do, you will start the vehicle and turn the steering wheel all the way to the right, and that will get you access to a couple of screws which are holding the bumper on the side. Okay, and here on the side you will have three Phillips screws. Again, it's quite sunny outside, I'm not sure if you can see anything, but you'll have one screw here, one up here, one will be here, and one here. So I want to remove those. Once you have these guys out, now the next thing to do, there is one screw just up here under an angle which is going into the fender. So what you want to do, you just need a 10mm socket and you want to remove it under this angle, so nothing too hard to do. Okay, this is the screw, and now this bumper will be completely loose here on this left side, and now you can proceed to the other side and turn the steering wheel to the left, so you get access to all those four screws and that fifth screw that's going to the fender. On the other side, same story, you'll have a screw down here, one here, and one up here, and that one that's going up to the fender. So I want to remove all these guys. Once those are out, the bumper will be completely loose on this side as well. Now the next thing you'll have to do, you will have to lie under the vehicle to remove bunch of small Phillips screws which are holding these bottom plastics. Now on my Jetta all these plastics are missing. The car came like this, but I will show you what you have to do because there is part of the plastic here. So you will have these small screws all around. They are Phillips screws, you can see. You will have them all the way along to the other side, so you just want to remove all these screws which are actually, you can see, attached to the bumper. So these are the screws you will remove, right? And just remove all those screws. Should be, I believe, 12 of them, maybe even a bit more, and once you do that, then you are done here at the bottom end. Yeah, I'm sorry this car came without this part. Okay, so once you have removed all of your screws, you can leave these underneath plastic covers hanging down, and now the bumper should be ready to be removed, I believe. Okay, so everything is nice and loose, but I forgot two main screws which are on the top. So you'll have a 10mm screw right here and one on the other side. And once you remove these two screws, you can just grab the bumper and pull it straight towards yourself. And that should be it. Okay, and this is how you can remove the front bumper from Volkswagen Jetta City. Now one more thing I have to mention, just make sure you don't break these marker light wires. Make sure just to disconnect these before you completely pull the bumper down. So have one on this side and one on the other side as well, and that's it. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.